In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to enable Wi-Fi Direct on the Epson WorkForce 7845 and connect your smartphone directly to the printer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This printer supports Wi-Fi Direct, which means you can connect your phone or tablet directly to it without needing a router. With Wi-Fi Direct, you can print documents and photos from your mobile device in seconds, simply and wirelessly. No network setup required. For the first step, go to Settings, then select and open General Settings. Now open Network Settings. Open the Wi-Fi setup. Now you can see two options, Wi-Fi Direct and Router. You can connect this printer to your phone in two different ways, but Wi-Fi Direct is the better option because it does not require a router. Open the Wi-Fi Direct option. Click on Other OS device. Now you can see the Wi-Fi Direct network name and the password. Now you can see that Wi-Fi Direct is enabled. If you want to change the network name or password, or if you want to disable Wi-Fi Direct again, tap Wi-Fi Direct and use the available options to adjust the settings. Now take your phone, go to the Wi-Fi settings, find the Wi-Fi Direct network name, and enter the password to connect your phone to the printer. Now that Wi-Fi Direct is connected, you can print directly from your gallery or file manager. However, the best option is Epson's own app, Epson iPrint, because it offers professional print settings and allows you to print faster and more reliably. And that's it. You have successfully enabled Wi-Fi Direct, connected your phone to the printer, and printed directly without using a router. This method is fast, simple, and perfect for everyday mobile printing. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to Device Doctor, and check the description for useful links and apps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video from Device Doctor.